You doing good and enjoying your life. Today in this video I'm going to share you about Microsoft Intune ending support for custom profile for personally on work profile devices by April 2025. As you can see on my screen, Microsoft has decided to end support for custom profile for personally on work profile. So if you are managing your Android devices as a BYD, traditional BYD, not via MAM, then and using the custom profiles, like if you are doing some advanced level of profile deployment through custom profile like OMA, UI, URI, then this is going to be decommissioned by April 2025. So I'm not gonna read this entire, but I am gonna show you. So this is the informations which is available on Microsoft site. I will put this link in the video descriptions. You can always go through that the entire blogs. But as you know that year ago, before Microsoft Intune provided the many Android settings available, right? Microsoft Intune introduced the custom configurations profile for Android Enterprise personally owned work profile devices. So if I go to here on Microsoft Intune, and if you go to Android, you see there are multiple enrollment profile. So I'm talking about this profile. So personally owned devices with work profile. If you are using this profile to manage and deploying the configurations, like custom configurations, like if you have created any and this is only applicable for Android enterprise devices, not for these two. So if you are using Android, if you have deployed any Android enterprise profile, and if you have selected the personally owned custom work profile, like this, right, custom profile. So if you have used this custom profile, like, and if you have added this any of this OMA URI, right, value, so this is gonna be decommissioned for this profile. Okay. So custom profile allow admin to configure setting that weren't built into the Microsoft Intune admin center, right? So why we were deploying this custom profile? Because that built-in setting was not available, right? If I cancel this one, and the people are the admins are deploying advanced setting through the custom profile. So if you select enterprise, if you select these any of these restrictions, you can directly select these options, right? I will show you here. Currently we are deploying, so you see you can just turn on, but in the custom profile you have to put the exact value, right? So if you are using the custom profile, don't use now, use this the ready-made profile, right? Any of these or templates instead of the custom profile, right? Because earlier some of the settings were not available. Now all of the settings are available, and so now there is no need to leverage the Open Mobile Alliance Uniform Resource Identifier, which is called OMA URI settings used by the device manufacturers like Google or any Oppo or any Realme or any other Android devices, right? Today admin can configure all of the settings available in custom policies for personally on work profile devices through other policies type in Microsoft admin center. So now, as I mentioned, right, all the policies are available, so you don't have to select the custom profile. You can directly use any of these restrictions, escape, PKCS, trusted, and VPN and Wi-Fi. Earlier some of the settings were not available, so we were using the custom profiles, right? So this will be decommissions custom profile. The existing profile, whatever is there, you can use that, but make sure you migrate your policies to the template, right? The one exception is configuration of basic Wi-Fi profile with the pre-shared key, which will be supported in the Wi-Fi configuration profile in the first quarter of calendar year 2025, because custom profile are harder to configure, right? Because if you have less experience, if you don't have the knowledge to configure the custom profile, and it is actually very harder to configure, troubleshoot and monitor also, and offer no additional benefit now that equivalent settings are already available in the GUI interface, right, in the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. That's why Microsoft is Intune or decided to ending support for custom profile for Android personally on work profile device on April 1st 2025. So before April 1st you can migrate. This change only apply to the custom profile for Android profile devices, does not impact custom profile for device administration role. So as I mentioned, it is only impact only this profile, not for any device administration or any other role. Okay, how does this affect to your users after Intune and support for the custom profile for in April 1st 2025? Admin won't be able to create any new custom profile for these devices. However, admin can still view and edit previously created custom profile. So you can read this information, right? Devices currently have the custom profile will not experience any immediate changes for the because these profile are no longer supported. The functionality set by these profile may change in the future. Intune technical support will no longer support custom profile for these devices. So make sure you migrate. How you can prepare for this change? You can always prepare for this change. To follow these steps, you can go to the configuration platform and policy type, right? If none of the found, then no action is needed, right? So you can go to configuration and sort the policy type. If you have any custom profile, you will see the custom profiles here. So if you go here, you can see, you can filter by here, you can see here, right? Sorry, if you here, if you see the policy type here, if any of these custom profile is there, then you have to create a policy with the equivalent setting and set table below, see table below for the setting mapping, and then you can assign and delete the custom profile, right? And these are the settings. Like if you have used any of these custom setting, you can map to, you can create a same custom profile, same setting is available in the other normal profile creation. So you can use this. If you are using any of these custom profiles like disable, modify, you can go to settings, general, and use this feature. I hope you learn the new things and make aware about this new technology and keep updated your knowledge. Till then, thank you, have a good day, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Have a good day.